Make it louder. We are gonna go to the forest, America.
Fire!
Fire.
Good fire and hot chocolate.
And hot chocolate. It will be super nice. We have minus 15 degrees today. Okay. Okay, let me do like this. Wait. Go inside. The ants sleep in the winter, but in the winter they go really deep underground. So that is an ant house in Sweden. Okay, we have prepared with the small twigs. We have split longer logs into pieces so they will burn easily, and then we still have all the big ones for the last. And for starters we are using that coming from a tree called birch, I think. What? So, conclusion. Let the woman make the fire. That will always work. This is how the wood can look in Sweden in the winter. Ice. Let's see if it will burn. We have a little small place there now.
Yeah.
Put in the wood.
All the time.
Keeping it burning. Okay, Anu, who made the fire?
Me.
You. Who picked the wood?
Me.
That is Shreya the fire killer. I think you can just kick here, Shreya, on the snow. Just kick on the side there. Yeah.
Rasmus is the one being covered, not oh.
Whoa, nice.
Lots of snow here. Nice.
Quite deep. All right, let's make a barbecue. Minus 15 degrees. Start splitting some wood here. Split is a lot of wood there. So let's see what we can do here. Barbecue time. We have the fire going. Now we're gonna make a big fire here. And then we're gonna barbecue some good meat that my wife prepared. That is a nice fire I got going here now. Snow is melting. Yeah. Look at that. Where did you want to camp, Anu?
On our small
Down there.
boat
She wants to camp down there.
in the river.
Okay.
Top of the river.
All right. Let's try it. The meat has arrived. The barbecue can begin. And look at that fire. Still a little bit too much fire, but it's minus 15 outside, and we're gonna barbecue that meat down there. I'm serving you some food there. It's gonna be meat with meat.
Meat with meat,
We
yeah.
meat with meat. You want more, Shreya? Huh?
1 piece only.
One piece only. Okay, you can have that too. There's 1.5.
Say how it tastes.
It tastes fantastic. We made a barbecue in minus 15 degrees Celsius.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. And that meat, it is so good.
Mm.
Holy shit. That was spicy and good, Anu.
Yeah, thank
Really
you.
nice. And the dog Rasmus is over there. Maybe we should give him a piece.
I already gave him fish.
Good. How was your Christmas? Wow, he finished it.
He loved it, as I do. My god. That's nice.
That is
We
why.
haven't told Shreya yet where we're gonna sleep. Over there. There's our camping place, Shreya.
So fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
That is.
Beside our house. Yeah.
No, yeah. We're gonna camp.
Backyard.
That is a backyard adventure for real. Tent on the river. Here we are. I'm gonna go camping. Minus 16 degrees. The child is super happy about it. There. Did you find it? Did you find it?
Find what?
Mattress.
Hey, look here.
Huh?
That.
Mattress. Good.
Welcome, welcome. Michael.
This is how they feel.
Yeah, there we go.
Come here. Yeah, Rasmus. No, don't kiss me, Rasmus. 7 into 7.
Okay.
He's been running in the forest all day, so he's quite tired, right?
Yeah.
All right, bedtime, Shreya. Are you gonna sleep?
Yeah.
Good.
night.
That's a good girl. Good night.
Nice. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Rasmus is cold. Look at this, Michael.
Yeah.
He is not cold, but he have
Yeah, but everything here is ice.
ice. Yeah.
Yeah, there's ice everywhere.
Look at my sleeping bag. I just did little bit here.
Yeah. Right. Let's see the thermometer. What is that?
What? Nothing there.
Oh,
More than minus. So just that have just minus 10. So
what?
it went down. It's just this have just minus 10.
Shit,
and
okay.
This is a you
The
could not
thermometer
see.
just go to minus 10, but it's bottom rocket. Okay.
Yeah, here.
Oh, yeah.
Hide it.
Right. Well, that is one beautiful sky. It's beautiful out here.
Yeah.
That is a strange place to camp on. So tonight we slept on our floating bridge in the river. Look at that, crazy. insane. Now I'm gonna go inside and get myself a coffee. Minus 19 camping in the river.